Imagine staying at this job for another 20 years. If this makes you feel suffocated, then listen, I have an alternative, legitimate way to show you to earn money online with something you truly love. Hi, I am Albena and I'm an affiliate marketer. I earn money on the internet by promoting products I use myself and love, or services that have improved the quality of my life. This affiliate marketing business is also called a lifestyle business model. It's a very simple one. You don't need a previous business experience or initial capital or even your own product to get started immediately. If you want to know more, check the free workshops I've gathered for you on this website. Just give me your contact details. I'll send them to you right away. Here's my story. I have been stuck in an underpaid and unfulfilling job for many years. I knew I needed to change, but I was dreading the humiliating process of searching for another job. You know, at my age, the job market is very difficult. Competing with the younger generations, often looked as too old, overqualified, trying to fit in someone else's dream, it's not easy. I was dreaming of having a more fulfilling and exciting life, like many of us do, but it wasn't until my mom got seriously ill that I started taking action. 3 years ago, I remember as if it was yesterday, my mom lost her mobility all of a sudden. I remember sitting in the waiting room in intensive care, praying for my mom to survive, and at the same time worried how on earth I'm going to provide for the medical care she would need from now on. Those times were very painful and difficult for me, but they also taught me a valuable lesson. I realized that relying solely on a paycheck was not going to put me in position to provide for the people I love the most, my mother, my children, myself included. I promised there and then to myself that I'm going to find smarter ways to create wealth. I started exploring different options, like I even started learning trading, but that was not for me. And then a good friend of mine suggested I should check a couple of workshops explaining the income opportunities online, such as the affiliate marketing and e-commerce. And he shared with me the same workshops that I'm sharing with you on this page. So I started creating my first income stream based on affiliate marketing next to my job. At times it was really challenging, especially with also busy family life with 2 children. But there was a clear step-by-step blueprint that I could follow, and that kept me focused. So, wow, boy, you should see me jumping, happy as an astronaut to see my first sale coming in. After just a half a year, starting as an absolute newbie, it was amazing. The feeling of being proud of yourself, of creating something on your own, being your own boss, looking into the bright future, because this was just the beginning. I remember one of my mentors saying, if you can make 1 sale, you can make 1,000 sales. Only with a digital business, you don't need to put 1,000 times more effort to produce 1,000 more sales. Instead, you can automate and scale your sales system with just a couple of configuration clicks. Google's and Amazon's do the work for you. And this is what people refer to as passive income. If this sounds interesting to you, register for the workshops and see for yourself if this can be your way of achieving financial freedom. Even if you don't need to quit your job today, it's smart to educate yourself on the possibilities of leveraging the digital economy. I have seen so many colleagues and friends struggling financially, being laid off in these difficult, turbulent times. Why take the risk? I feel blessed to have invested in this sustainable business. Affiliate marketing has taught me how to be independent by earning a good income online, thereby reporting to no one, enjoying the location freedom and flexible working hours. The peace of mind that I can provide for my mother's medical care today or for the education of my children tomorrow is priceless. I wish the same for you. I truly believe the world will be a better place if everyone loves what he is doing. Take action, grab the workshop, and spend the next half an hour or so on your future, on creating the life you want to live. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.